Hello everyone, I'm Brian Lopez and I come to talk about autonomous learning. First, I will give you an introduction about what is this, what we need to do, some advices, the benefit it has, and finally, my experience securing this skill. What is the autonomy? It's the capacity of individual to make choices, make decisions, and assume the consequence of them. By assuming the consequence, I mean that it's for something good, as for your intellect, for a better social life, and so on, rather than consequence of that obtain benefits. Basically, autonomy are all the things you do for yourself for your own good. We could call it being self-taught. It is, if it is about study. What we need for be autonomous? We need to change our minds leaving the laziness. Take it like a routine, and the most important is to take action. Why do I say this? Because generally in our free time we focus on things that really are not relevant and waste our time, knowing that we can take that time for ourselves for the study. Tips to be autonomous. First, know that it's fine for you. You need to be clear about that because it is benefit for you, and know that if you start doing it, your way of life will change. I'm sure of that. Second, organize your time. We know that we have errands and things to do, so in our free time, do this activity and study. 3. Search that you like to learn it in books or internet. When you are looking for something of your interest, it is good to know what to look for. And reading books is a very good dynamic because it helps you expand your mind. In addition to that, on the internet, you can find many forms of study, so there is no excuse. 4. Take it like a routine for your brain. If you do it constantly, you are going to return to a routine, and that is what you want to have. 5. Be active. I mean, when doing active marine activity and put all your desire into it. Be very active when you are doing the ability is very important for learn the term. 6. Read. As I have said before, I would believe that this is the best way of learning for all subjects. Benefits of being autonomous. Be autonomous helps you develop your brain faster. Change your routine before a new one, and this will be better for you. I assure you that if you apply it, your life will change for good. Because it is for you, for your own good. I'm going to talk my experience with the autonomy. And in my experience, being autonomous in my career that is modern language has helped me to learn more vocabulary, understanding more when they speak to me in English, and other skills that you are going to use. I apply the advices that I give you recently, and they have worked for me. So I recommend this dynamic because it's very good. Thank you. This has been all I can give you about autonomous learning. I hope you like it, and thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.